Hello and welcome again in my shop. The last time we tested the Gorilla Glass, how well it withstands scratches. Today I'll break this phone in half. I'll try first, maybe I'll just go all the way in with my chainsaw. Let's see what will happen, right? Again, this is not working. I will never break something that works on my channel. I don't like it. I prefer that something went through all its life, and no matter what the consequences, it died, but I want it to die and then to break it. No matter what, whether phone, camera, TV, whatever, to withstand its how hardcore it's built. I think it's no need to be working. To see if it's hardcore enough, I mean glass, metal, aluminium, whatever, to see if it's well enough built and hard. It doesn't need to work to check it out, okay? That's why I'm thinking it's much better to test stuff after it's dead for some reason. Because, as you know, to manufacture this thing, some bad labor is in it. So, for instance, the rare metals in it, they're coming from mines. That in every mine you can't let robots there. Someone else to do the stuff for the people. The people are going there. They're digging. They're even some kind of slaves. No matter what you will say about it, but it's true. They paid so few, and we get this thing for high price, but it's assembling, manufacturing, engineering, and of course the profit for the company that's building it, for company that's selling, for company that's transporting it, that advertising it, and everything. All of this stuff is added on the price of this product. So it's really important for me, the labor of these people, the lowest one, the ones that are doing the job to stay in the history and to stay in their honor. I don't think we should break something that's working, because they really, some of them, they have health issues for this thing, and just to ruin something just for sake of I have more views, it's not something that I will be proud of. So I want to see if this will, and I'm almost sure that my chainsaw will cut it in half, but what I don't know is if I start it from the glass here, I'm almost sure that it won't let me go through it. So I have to push. If I start it from here, I'm almost sure that it will cut it in half, no problem. So, something else. I'm almost sure that when we reach, if we reach the battery, it will be smoke and everything, so it will be quite nice to watch. I hope it will be a good video. Like and subscribe if you like my channel. I promise I'll make more videos about it, but again I'm saying I don't want to do it with something that's working. If you want to send me something to test it for weaknesses or some kind of whatever, just don't send me working stuff. Okay, let's start. That's what's left. Everything in half. The digitizer is intact, but the display is pretty much fucked up. The battery got some weird mm, smell, and that's it. You see, the motherboard is game over. It's pretty much game over. That's it for today. Chainsaw created iPhone in every possible way. Let's see the actually it's not that bad, just one, two maybe times with the file and it will be sharp again, and I'll do it right now. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it, this kind of stuff that I'm doing. I'll test something else in the next couple of days. Comment, subscribe, share. So, what we learned today: the chainsaw, even electric chainsaw, is stronger than iPhone. Very important thing. This is the most important thing in my life. Something else. We found out that you can't start cutting through the glass. You have to start on the side. What else? The battery has some smell on it. It's from the ingredients, I don't know what, but funky smell. No signs of gas explosion or something else. Aluminium is tough. You see, I needed a couple of tries to cut through it. I hope you like and subscribe, and see you on the next video of destruction.